China Coast Guard Vessel 3303. This is Philippine Coast Guard Vessel BRP Cape San Agustin, MRRB 4408. You are advised that you are currently sailing within the Philippines Exclusive Economic Zone, approximately 135 nautical miles west by south of Silangin Island, Zambales, Philippines, or at latitude 14 degree 19 decimal 488 minutes north, longitude 117 degree 50 decimal 339 minutes east. In accordance with Republic Act 12064, the Philippine Maritime Zones Act, the United Nations Convention of the Law of the Sea, of which you are a party, and the 2016 Arbitral Award, you do not possess any legal authority to patrol within the Philippines Exclusive Economic Zone. You are directed to cease and desist from conducting illegal maritime patrols within the Philippines Exclusive Economic Zone. Your illegal activities would be reported to higher authorities. Over.